Protein pancakes in 10 minutes flat. Okay, here we go. So I'm gonna start with a half a cup of protein shake. So I'm going to use the increments on the side of my blender. I got the Ninja, only the finest. And so I've got the half a cup of liquid. See, I just measure it here. That's 1 cup, so half. And then I'm just gonna use 1 scoop of protein powder because 2 scoops is for 1 whole shake, and I'm just gonna do half that. So 1 scoop. If you have 1 big scoop, I would do half of that. You know, protein shakes are different. And then I'm going to add half a cup of old-fashioned oats right here in healthy protein pancakes. And then last but not least, here comes the twist. I'm adding goat cheese, actually, about a 1/4 cup of goat cheese. Let's see how these are. And then 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I've got that right here. So I just use a small little teaspoon that I use to eat with. Make life simple and easy. And we put it in, 1 teaspoon. And now we're going to put the top on and blend it up. So here we go. A nonstick skillet on my stove top, and I'm heating it over medium. And then I'm going to pour this mixture right here. Actually, if I were you, let's get a spatula and be thorough here about this. Just scrape down the sides so we get all the goodies. And this is a breakfast. It's actually gonna be pretty much, well, it's whenever you eat breakfast, it's breakfast. I mean, whatever your first meal of the day is, our caloric intake over 50 calories is breakfast. Sorry to bust your bubble if you think drinking coffee with lots of cream is not breakfast, but that is breakfast. Okay. So here, now it's good, smells good. We're just gonna pour this on. I will show you here, excuse me. And I maybe made that one a little large. So see, and they are starting to cook. Medium heat here. So I'm going to grab myself a spatula. So while we're waiting for this to cook, I'll let you know the nutrition of this. So this is 1 serving, and it's going to be about 361 calories, 5 grams from fat, and 47 grams of carb, which gives you about 3 servings of carbs, which seems about right because it looks like it's going to make about 3 pancakes, about the size of 1 slice of bread. And then we're also going to get a whopping 33 grams of protein from these protein pancakes. That's really good. So definitely better than your normal Denny's pancakes. Let's see if they're as tasty. It is almost ready. This is why it takes 10 minutes just waiting for it to cook. I hope you are enjoying these. Also, so you know, I'm focusing on foods that will increase or maintain your muscle mass or muscle gains. So we have I'm gonna add a fruit to this. I'm gonna add I have an orange, or maybe add an orange on the top. Instead of syrup, think outside of the box here with pancakes. You know, it doesn't have to be butter and syrup. It can be, how about nut butter? If you want something fatty on top, and instead of syrup, a much healthier choice would be fruit. Fruit is sugar as well as just getting tons of nutrition. Like if I use this orange, I'm getting a lot of vitamin C, whereas if I use maple syrup, I'm getting not very much at all. So that's why. Okay, let's see here. Oh, it's ready, so I'm going to show you how to flip. Whoop, pardon me. Okay, now. Oh. This one. Oh, dang it. Come on, baby. You almost were there. I am not known for my aesthetics, but I'm known for the taste. Okay. These are, if you wanna spray your pan just to make sure, you might want to, but whatever. I don't care. Now, if I was serving, my fiance, everything must be perfect. Actually, I feel like this one's gonna turn out even better because it's like the oats kind of sunk to the bottom. So I don't know. We'll see. Let's wait and see. Okay, I'm gonna get a plate ready. We're going to do, I like to match my plate to the festivity here. I'm gonna use a pretty normal, just a basic plate like this, and it's still cooking. Remember, it's on medium. So I used a protein powder. This is actually a detox protein powder. It's definitely not the best one I've ever had, but it is super healthy. It has like a vegetable antioxidant blend, but I'm trying to use it up. This is, if you want to see the brand, it's Core Restore from Orthomolecular. So we got this. Okay. This one's done. Man, I almost had that one flipped. Darn it. Now just one more to go. And I hope you're cooking with me. We've got T-minus 1 minute, 15 seconds before it's 10 minutes, so I gotta make my goal here of 10 minutes. Otherwise, I'm gonna change this to 15, under 15. Ooh, this is gonna be tight. Maybe if we had like a bigger grill, then we could put them all on at once. So that counts as 10 minutes. Okay, this one is flipping over nicely, see? So here we go, and I'm flipping. Whoop. Okay. Remember, we're using orange. One, you can use like a tiny little cutie or half of a big orange if you want, to give us one more carb and some sweetness and vitamin C to start your day. All right, count down. There it is, in T-minus 10 minutes. Enjoy.